Alright, today we're in Brendan's kitchen. We have a ton of different fruits and vegetables, and we're going to be making 6 different types of juices. For me, Brendan, and Carmen, we're going on a 3-day cleanse. So there will be 6 different juices, 3 days. 18 juices per person. A lot. Alright. So we are going to be making the liquid sunshine, which has 3 ingredients and ginger. So we have 1 apple,
1 orange,
1 carrot, and ginger.
Here she is.
So this is the first time we're actually using this, so we're going to learn together. So
We're just dropping and catching here. Oh, it looks pretty.
that's ginger.
Ooh.
This is your favorite.
Bring my friend Ginger over here.
Number 2, the green glowing juice. So this is your green juice.
It's like this. Oh, like this.
1 cucumber, 3 to 4.
Don't forget the top. We had a ceiling incident before.
Yeah, all the directions, and just feed me the stuff.
I'll feed you, alright.
Ready?
You're ready.
Is pink power punch. The ingredients you need: have the Granddaddy purple juice.
Granddaddy part.
So as you can see,
Granddaddy Purr.
the show. You're caught. Is called the Beach Babe.
That's what everyone's dreaming for.
4 carrots. We have 1 head of romaine lettuce.
Here's the head.
1 lemon. 1 orange. 2 apples.
Deuce.
A pint of berries. We're going to use blackberry and raspberry. We're going to do a little bit half and half.
20.
And last but not least, a cucumber.
Ugh, really?
What?
Again?
Let's make sure it looks fine. It smells weird. And I don't know, I feel like I don't see any. It's like smoking.
Oh, we just burnt the motor out.
Nuh-uh. You smell it?
Yeah, you just burnt the motor.
We have This is crazy. We're almost done too.
You can see the smoke. Where's all the excess stuff gonna go?
What do you mean?
Those are mangoes. Like grapefruit.
Brendan, they're grapefruit.